Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to the show. My name is DDare Bionic, if you did not know, and I am back in my brand new chair with another video. It's the little things, y'all. He said he don't want me back, he be lying. So I am back with a brand new Pokemon video. Y'all already know the deal. If you are brand new here, this Pokemon series is where I take my favorite Pokemon of every single type and I create a makeup look based on that Pokemon, inspired by that Pokemon and that type. It's so incredible. I'm so excited to be doing this. I'm on type number, I don't even know anymore, like 6 or 7. I'm doing the Psychic type today. And my favorite Psychic type is a dual type. I think there's a trend here. I love me some dual type Pokemon. Forgot to mention, this series is inspired by Glama Llama on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. You can, he's linked down below. You can go ahead and check him out. And I getting experimental again today. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video because I have to be at work in like 2.5 hours. All right, so for those of you who don't know, Metagross is a Psychic and Steel type Pokemon from Generation 2. Hoenn? I was right, from Hoenn. I thought I was correct. Generation 3, Hoenn. I always get Hoenn and Johto mixed up, which one is 2 and 3. It's like the pseudo-legendary of the seeds of the generation, though some people will say it's Salamence. In my personal opinion, both of them are pseudo-legendary, but for me, Metagross is that girl. Today's look is going to be, like I said, inspired by the shiny coloration of Metagross. And we're going to be doing some really abstract. I really want to focus less on the fact that it's Steel type and more on the fact that it's Psychic type. It's 4 computers compiled together. It can fly. It is just a fucking beast. So let's get into this look. In order to get that steel gray coloration, I'm gonna be taking, of course, my holy grail, the GOAT, Midas Cosmetics Cake Liner palette in, wait a minute. No, that might be too shimmery. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna take this Cake Liner palette from Midas. And we're going to, you see I already have some gray mixed in together from a different look. I am going to mix some of that up. Maybe get just a little bit more black up in here, so it's more of a steel color. That looks better. And I'm actually, the only thing I'm doing on my lid today is like eyeliner, like a really thick graphic liner, and probably some gold details. So let's go. So as always, I pose this question. Who is your favorite Steel type? I said Steel type. Psychic type. Who's your favorite Psychic type? Let me know down in the comments. Back in Gen 1, Psychic was so beefy. It was such a huge type. It was not huge in the way that there were a lot of Pokemon. That's actually great because I planned on going up there. Not huge as in there were a lot of Pokemon, but huge as in there was just like a lot. They were very strong. They were like unmatched. Psychic and Dragon type both were unmatched. And I don't know if it was in Gen 1 or if it happened in Gen 2 when they kind of nerfed the Psychic type and made them allergic to bugs, because that's the thing to do. Also, can we get into this liner? That's good. For me talking at the same time, honey, that's good. That's really good. Yo, that's a really good liner. Listen, I need to take a couple days off from doing makeup more often because I come back clean as a motherfucker. Okay, let me go ahead and do the other eye real quick. All right, those look pretty even to me. They look really fucking even, if I must say so myself. So let's move on to the next part of this. To know Metagross is to know that he has an X in the middle of his face. And I want that in my face. So I'm just gonna clean up the lid space just a little bit because there's all these little wet marks from the cake liner. So I'm gonna clean that up real quick. I actually have my workstation set up now where everything is like in a really easily accessible space. I got a new chair. I got my like computer screen kind of up here, so it's acting as a monitor. Girl, we are doing things. Things are happening. I'm kind of getting my YouTube life together. We're still on the road to 1K by December. I think I'm sitting at 162 followers. So I need more of you that are watching these videos. If you came here from TikTok, please like and subscribe to my channel. Just do it. Just do it. It's easy. All you gotta do is click a button. That's it. Using this ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Extra Frosting, I'm gonna map out where I want the X to be. Because I don't really like want to be so literal and do it like right in the middle of my face. I think I want it to be like on the lid space somewhere. Let's play with it and see what happens. I also have no product on my lids. So there's that. Let me look at a picture of Metagross real quick. It like kind of hooks up under his jaw a little bit. So what if we did like a almost up into the brow? Wait, no, that's not the move. I actually just had a really cool idea. Why don't we have it hook under the tail end of this, right? Wouldn't that be hella cool? And then this one can go here, like that. And that's just like a sketch, like we're just sketching it out. That's not the finished product, obviously. So what I'm gonna do is use some neon yellow, kind of like I did for the Empoleon look. Look at my neon yellow girl. We had to, she went through it, honey. We are literally creating an X that will hook under this wing here. That's super cool. Okay, and now while it's still wet, I'm gonna take this Good as Gold palette. There's so many different golds in here. On this angled brush, I'm gonna take this gold called Digging You. Gold digger. And oh, it went away. Let's try that again. This gold called Digging You and put it on top. It looks good. I might go back and clean it up a little bit, but it looks good. All right, I am just gonna clean up. I'm really actually happy with how that turned out. I'm just gonna clean it up and make it a little sharper. Now, like I was saying before, let's get abstract, shall we? So I'm actually gonna use some more of these BFF gel liners from ColourPop to kind of, I wanna create like little psychic waves all over the face. And to achieve that, I'm gonna map them out first. So we're going in with this BFF gel liner in Prance and this one in Amethyst Hour. And we're just gonna make some like little squiggly wigglies just to map out where they're gonna go. I don't know how many I'm gonna do, but doesn't it look like the move Psychic? I kind of want one on the lid over here. All right, now this is where this is gonna get tricky because now I have to use my cake liners again to cake liners in shadows. And I think I'm gonna go down with the shadows first and build the color. And then go in with the cake liners and really like define, let's do that. We're gonna use the ColourPop, obviously, good as hue, Fade into Hue palette. I'm gonna take some thin brushes. I actually think I wanna use this Luxie brush. She might need to be cleaned. So I'm gonna start with this light pink color called Lovecraft and lay that down first. And we're not really doing this with like rhyme or reason. We're just kind of going in, placing the color, and then we'll blend the purple or the pink and the blue with maybe a little bit of purple. And I'm gonna do all of this with the same brush. I'm not gonna switch brushes. I want them to kind of look like little psychic roses. Okay, so that honestly looks really cool. Let's go in with some liner. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, but we do kind of want those cyanic waves to kind of come through, and then pastel blue. They honestly look kind of like flowers, which is really cool. And then I might even throw a little orange on there, just to kind of break up the other colors. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. That's the sauce, honey. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the other two off of camera and I will be right back. All right, so I have them all finished, our little cyanic waves. Hey, I feel very well close to done. I feel like it's missing something. What are we missing? What are we missing? We got the gray. I think the last thing we need to do is add a silver lip. Don't you think? Yeah, I think so. Now, I don't actually have a silver lipstick, but I have been known to use Miss House Labs. What color is that? That is rye. I have been known to use Miss House Labs as lipstick. So I'm gonna take the shade Flash, which is a silver metallic. Obviously, we're gonna put that on our lips. I mean, it is essentially transparent. Girl, I feel like I look like Bob the drag queen. What if I did this pretty purple in the middle? What if I did this? I think I did this backwards. I think I did it backwards. I'm gonna reapply the lip. Hold on a second. Okay, we're gonna line the lip first. This is essentially my skin tone, but I need more of a gradient with the lip. And then we're gonna try another trend. Okay, we're gonna try that trend where you put the lipsticks on and then you just kind of blend them. So we got this one going on the outside. And then we got this darker purple for the middle. And then we'll put Flash in the very middle. All right, here we go. Okay, I would say that is a market success. Okay, I added just a little bit more of that dark purple. Okay, stop futzing with it, stop futzing with it. It looks good, Darius, stop futzing. So, the makeup is done. I actually am really happy with how it turned out. It's very Metagross, it's very indicative. I'm gonna go put on the look and I will be right back. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I am so happy with how this turned out. I love that the eyes are simple and they've got the little X for it, Metagross. And the psychic waves on the face, it's super cool, and the lip is super cool. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed recording it for you, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite psychic type is, and hit that bell notification so you get a notification every single time I post. I got like 12 more types going, so there's at least 12 more of these videos guaranteed for you all, okay? If you would like a cool end of summer, early fall beard like me, you can shop Lunatide's hair color, as well as all of my music, all of my merch, all of that stuff that supports this channel directly right down below. Hit that button. You know you want to. You know you want to do it. You'll get a little bit of coin off at Lunatides, and you'll hear some amazing music. I have such good music. If you would like to see the Lo-Fi City Museum performance that I did of my song Witch's Brew, click the title card above. Go subscribe to the Lo-Fi YouTube channel. They're doing amazing things, and that video is so sickening. I am so happy with how it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you follow me on all my socials, okay? Bye!